Alrighty here, day 6, part 3, Ford Ranger, wheel arch repair driver side. I'm gonna call this the spot putty sanding. So I used the spot glazing putty to cover some of the low spots, and I just went a little crazy and just put it over the whole panel. Yeah, but anyway, I'm just gonna sand it down. I let it sit up for about 15 minutes of drying. It was actually seen to be dry in about 5, but I had some stuff to do. It was maybe 20 minutes of sitting. So now I'm just gonna sand her down. I'm using a 500 grit sandpaper. It might not be aggressive enough, but we'll see. Let's see what we got here. I'm using my little sponge block. It conforms nicely in the creases. Whew. I got my N95 mask on. Blow it off every once in a while to keep the cake down. Yeah, pretty much when you see that metal poking through, you gotta stop, because you're just gonna, that's obviously a high spot. There's a low to a high. Tap it down a little bit. Yep. Probably could go to a lower grit. Yeah, I could probably go to a, oh man, that came out. Went too hard. So let's go to 220. Let's go to 220. Like I said, part of the learning process here. Yeah, not ready for 5 yet. Had to switch to a lower grit. Get it smoother. $500